Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty world with honesty, expertise, and a touch of curiosity. Today, I've got something that's perfect for anyone who loves precision in their eye makeup: KIKO Milano's Micro Tip Eyeliner in Classic Black. It's a pencil-style eyeliner with a matte finish, designed to give you smudge-resistant, long-lasting color. Right out of the box, what strikes me is the slim, precise tip. KIKO Milano markets this eyeliner for its fine point control, which promises everything from ultra-thin lines to sharp winged looks. The matte black pigment is dense, so you get a bold, crisp line without layering too much product. The pencil form makes it super portable and travel-friendly, which is always a plus for those on the go. When I tested it in my everyday routine, I found the application smooth, with minimal tugging on the delicate skin around the eyes. The fine tip really does make creating detailed lines easier, especially for subtle tight lining or a delicate cat eye. In terms of staying power, it held up well through a morning to evening test, resisting smudges during mild activity and standard indoor wear. However, if you're in a very humid environment or rubbing your eyes, you may notice slight fading, which is pretty common for pencil eyeliners. One thing I love is how cleanly it applies. The matte formula doesn't leave a glossy or waxy finish, so it looks modern and professional. On the downside, if you press too hard, it can deposit more product than intended, which may require a quick blending with a brush or cotton swab for perfect precision. For value, KIKO Milano is known for striking a balance between quality and price, and this eyeliner is no exception. It's affordable compared to high-end counterparts, yet it performs exceptionally well for daily wear and creative looks alike. Compared to similar fine-tip eyeliners from brands like NYX or Sephora Collection, this one holds its own in terms of pigment and precision, while the smudge-resistant claim feels credible in real-life usage. The pencil itself is well-constructed, and the tip maintains its shape over time without crumbling, which means you get consistent lines without wasting product. I haven't needed to interact with customer support, but KIKO Milano generally has a solid reputation for addressing consumer queries promptly. If you're exploring alternatives, other budget-friendly options like NYX Epic Ink Liner or Maybelline Hyper Easy can offer similar precision, though the smudge resistance and matte finish of this KIKO option give it a slight edge in versatility. Overall, I'd say this eyeliner is a solid choice for anyone who wants precision without breaking the bank. It delivers clean, long-lasting lines, and the fine tip truly makes it a pleasure to work with. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with wings or a seasoned makeup lover refining your look, KIKO Milano's Microtip Eyeliner offers performance that meets real-world expectations. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below. Share your thoughts and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.